My name is Juliet from Kenya, and this is my first time in Trinidad, and I am making ugali with the tools here. I'll try my best with these tools. Ugali is maize meal. It's like some sort of a cake, somehow. Yeah, it's some sort of a cake. It's very popular, so we eat it with a lot of things. Meat, vegetables, yeah, it's very popular. Ugali is, and then very filling. So we like it because it's easier to make and makes you stronger also. Okay, so water. There's no particular formula, so let's start from there. So the water has to be boiling water. Okay, let's start. So I'll first use this first, see what works best. So it has to be very stiff. So I'll continue adding the flour. And then if it gets too stiff, I'll add more water. So it depends. I actually learned to cook ugali as an adult. Perfect. This is so nice. Actually, in a week, you can eat ugali more than 3 times. It depends. It depends on your household, but most people, rich, poor, you eat ugali. Always. Even in high schools, most of us go to boarding schools, so ugali is like something you eat all the time. So you have to put some muscle into it. So we're almost done. We're almost done. So I have to make sure there are no uncooked flour, like white stuff. So I have to shape it. I'm sweaty. So I have to shape it so it looks like a cake. And then I leave it first for it to continue cooking. And then there's usually, for me, how I make, like I know it's ready. There's usually like a burning smell, and then I know it's ready. We also have traditional vegetables, so we also eat ugali with that traditional vegetable.
Have you had kalaloo before? This is your first time?
Yes. I've seen a lot of work has been done on kalaloo, so we'll see. So we're almost there. And then after cooking the ugali, you have to soak the pot overnight. Then you can wash it. So let's see. There. We're done. So you need such a tool. This one, I think a stronger person needs to handle it, or a bigger ugali. But it's usually, so this flat part is up to somewhere until here. And then the other part is like this. Yeah. So, because now you have to put your strength into this part and cook it. So that I'm the one to dive. It's not ready. I guess it's somehow ready. Okay. So this is a small portion, so usually it's something bigger. So the ratio is the vegetables are few, the ugali is big. The ugali should be bigger. So yeah. Yeah, this is actually it goes very well. It's nice.
Goes very well with the kalalu.
I like the kalalu. That's it. Thanks for watching. I hope I've made my people proud. Yeah, and it's my first time in Trinidad, so I'm enjoying interacting with the other people from the diaspora, the larger, away from the continent, and enjoying this food.